they will just tell you that it's the university is within the vicinity of the Mount Muswan, the Mount Kaayoo. Actually, it's active. It's active, ba, no?
Active.
Life here in the Philippines or in CMU is just very simple.
Yes.
Very simple living. We are surrounded with lots of trees, nature, environment, and we are far from the city.
Yes.
We just travel here around 10 to 15 minutes to go there for our daily needs. We go to Valencia. Saan na lang siguro? Taglan sila dito.
I'm here in Greenwich and having lunch break. Hi.
Welcome to my
Well,
Welcome to my channel.
thank you. Like and subscribe.
Oh, Marang.
Arto Carpos. Cultural Finance.
Sa Arto Carpos. Kapit ha, Marang. So, we're getting back to reality.
Yes.
Back to studies. Yes, yeah ba? So, this is mine. Do you have this?
Durian.
Ay, do you have?
This?
Yeah, we
Have you
have.
tasted that one?
Yes.
Oh, no.
no.
We will not try.
Okay. A red flag. Red flag.
Ay, kaya, well, what's the name of that fruit there?
It's called jackfruit.
Jackfruit. Ah, ano man?
Jackfruit, nasa ilo.
Jackfruit is yellowish.
Yes.
May guwapa there eh.
Galing siya, mama, pero
Napaano lang sa lori.
Pick one fruit. One pick.
one thing. This is how it looks. Can you see? Yes.
I just have to give you a map of Cebu.
Okay.
This is
Kamulo sila JS pa.
the theoretical. Have you done JS? Theoretical? This part,
JS.
JS.
Unsa JS?
Yes.
Ano yun? Wala lagi. Ay na sila pero ano lang. Theoretical.
Wala hands-on.
Wala sila sa
Kung napunta sila sa
If you could have a map so you can trace this road,
Oo.
something to download Google Maps.
Okay.
During regular classes, before pandemic, we actually have around 10,000 population.
10,000 students.
10,000 students.
That will go through the main gate. Yeah.
The more than around half of that percentage is first year. And then usually we do graduation at around 3,000. 3,000 ang graduate.
3,000 to 4,000 average.
3,000 to 4,000 graduate with different courses.
Here is the college education.
College of Education.
Extension of
College of Arts and
Extension
Sciences.
and
Extension building. Pwede nun sila na.
So we are arriving.
Ano sila dito?
Sunrise.
Ayan, ano? Sunrise.
Ay, ano pa naman sa likod?
Ha? Ayan. Eh. Wala pa kanina.
Ha? Naku po din.
Here.
Ayan.
Hi. Today is a very busy day. We will be leaving our dormitory tomorrow to an agroforestry farm. We will work there, do our internship program there for 5 days. So we went to the market to buy gadgets for the farm work, and now we are back at Sunrise Dorm. It's hot. Okay.
Very much for watching.
Thank you so much.